Hello, welcome to this course on poetry. I am your course instructor, Professor S.P. Danavel from the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. Imagine standing under a tree, say a banyan tree. Look at the tree and now look at poetry too. Both the tree and poetry are creations. One is natural and the other is artificial. But both of them share a few commonalities. They are the expressions of infinite possibilities of the universe. They participate in the ecosystem of life and support the system to continue the life process. Poetry is also a means of a try, an attempt, and a trial for human beings to survive in this world. It records and transmits the multiple thoughts and feelings in different forms in different languages. For poets, it's a source of expression, and for readers, it's a source of solidarity. A poem may grow like plant naturally for kids, or it may flow spontaneously like a river for Wordsworth. However, it needs words in some order to give the aesthetic pleasure that readers enjoy when they read them. Hence, poets like Coleridge make their utmost effort to arrange the best words in the best order to differentiate poetry from prose and give the best to the readers. In this course, we will discuss three major kinds of poetry: lyrical, narrative, and dramatic. Specifically, we will deal with sonnets, lyrics, odes, ballads, verse epistles, elegy, dramatic monologues, and free verse in different stanza forms. Naturally, we will examine the linguistic and rhetorical strategies used by poets to achieve the lasting effects they have on the readers. When Robert Frost says in his poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, "The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep." He speaks for all human beings powerfully. Poetry enables this dialogue with the past and the future in the present. Hope you will enjoy this dialogue and pursue your interests in the vast land of poetry in English from Britain, the United States, and India. If you are a student of undergraduate program or a postgraduate program, you will find this course useful for your course requirement. If you love poetry, you will come across a wide range of poems and enjoy them just for your pleasure. This is the beginning of our journey. Come and join us and for an enjoyable and educative journey.